Hey, how you doing?
Been living this lavish, yes, I've been had it. I'm a real princess, these bitches is catfish. What's all that static? Catch me in traffic. Been doing this shit, my music is classic. I've been this tatted.
I know I've been gone. I know y'all miss me. I ain't been posting. I got a lot of reasons. One is because of the weather. That hurricane that came. And then I just was dealing with some circumstances I just couldn't come across, but I'm back, sweetheart. So let me properly introduce myself. Yo, it's your girl Kari Cutthroat, and I'm back at it again with another video. Glee. Okay, so obviously y'all see where we at. Show them where we at. We're at Walmart with it, and it's like, what time is it? Like almost 11 o'clock. We about to hit y'all with this prank. Do a sneezing prank. Go around, sneeze on people. Well, we not nasty like that. We not really sneeze on people. I got a bottle of water. Let's get into this video. I came for some tissue because I'm not feeling good. Like, my allergies acting up right now. Yeah, I know. I need to get some loratadine, like, and get some soup. But Chick-fil-A closed tomorrow. Yeah, I might just buy some Campbell soup here. They got water bottles for fleas. Oh, hermit crabs. Oh, they need to drink out of bottled water for. Oh, that's cute. I like that one. Oh, ma'am, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. My allergies acting up. Looking mighty good right now, too. No, I'm sorry. I know I need to go home and get some loratadine because my allergies acting up. Oh, I'm sorry. Really? Really? Because I think it's because the seasons are changing and stuff like that. Yeah. And like my nose start itching and stuff like that. It's like bad. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. Oh, these protein cookies. Yeah, my allergies acting up, bro. Like, I got allergies. You already know. Yeah.
See, that's you play too much. You play too much.
Scared. I'm scared. How y'all doing today? Just fine evening.
Girl for baby. It says something. Oh, we need to get some candy for trick or treat. I said trick or treat. Supposed to be Halloween. I need some sugar to go in my tea, because I'm not feeling good. Like, you're really bugging right now. You're really bugging right now. I'm being like dead ass right now. No, bruh. No. Like, can't get off my phone. I just kicked my shoe under. What you do, man? My life is falling apart. Shut up. My life is falling apart. Hooters. This a vibe. Give me time. The hell is driving me.
Give me five, it's a vibe. In the hood like drive-bys. I ain't talking waving hands when I'm in Dubai. Bye. With the people that I love, rep them till I die. And I'm fly. When you fly, they get you the side eye. Ooh, I just hit the plug, about to buy a pound.
Watch this, I can do a split. I'm out of breath.
Give me five, it's a vibe. In the hood like drive-bys. I ain't talking waving hands when I'm in Dubai. Bye. With the people that I love, rep them till I die. And I'm fly. When you fly, they get you the side eye. Ooh, I just hit the plug, about to buy a pound. Fendi on my moon boots, higher ground. Pistol on my lap when I ride around. People I could trust when I'm not around. Loco, I go loco. Took a auto. No Grammy, still a gold though.
LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. Ha. No, but for real. Back to my mission. I'm feeling really, really bad at this. Like, it's my first prank. I'll get better at it. Hey, your name's Stephen Curry. I guess not. Follow, boys. Follow, boys. Stop. I'm out of breath because of lack of activity. Hey Kelly, you look like this pickle right here on the side of this jar.